Welcome to this quick tour of the Agile console. It's referred to as a console because everything you need is on the same page. No more need to navigate to different pages or even navigate to different tabs. All the information you need is on one page. As you can see, the steps of the Agile process are laid out horizontally, and the stories, the central point of what you're trying to deal with, are in the middle of the console. And you can also set up things like standard memberships. You can input your done list as well as your ready list, and even a checklist for things that you only do at release. The burn down chart and burn up chart are located in the upper right along with the velocity chart, and you can minimize those to get them out of the way so you can have the central point of your console be the stories that you're working on. It also supports the concept of epic, and as you would expect, it supports a release and sprints. In addition, there are views defined for the various meetings: the sprint planning meeting, the stand-up meeting, the review meeting, and the prospective meeting. And when you click on a view, it presents just the information that's appropriate for that particular meeting. So it makes it easy for the team to quickly get through the items that are expected for that meeting and not be clouded by all the additional information that's not appropriate. In addition, you can narrow the scope down to a particular role or a particular member, which it makes it easier during stand-up meetings, for example, to narrow it down to the conversation that that person should be having with the team when it's their turn to speak. Inside of each story is a list of tasks that are automatically created based on the checklist for that particular step. And if issues come up, they can be logged, and blocking issues can be noted with the exclamation point. And when tasks are completed or issues are completed, they can be closed using the X. It uniquely provides roll down capabilities. So it only shows the information you're looking at, but if you want to look at the other information, you simply click on the down arrow and it will roll out additional information that was not presented before. So you can see all the information if you want. The console automatically places a story onto the sprint when it is transitioned from the grooming step into the in-progress step. And if something is in the in-progress or done and needs to be taken out of the sprint, it will be automatically removed from the sprint if it's transitioned back from in-progress to groom. When a task is noted as blocked, an issue is also created as blocked to allow you to automatically fill in the reason why a task is blocked. In addition, if you move a story backwards in progression, it automatically opens up an issue so you can put the issue why something has gone backwards in steps. This is convenient for QA when they find a problem. They can simply move the story back to the in-progress to step and put the issues and then assign it to a specific role, for example, development. Checking a box and then saving allows for that item to continue to be checked even beyond browser refreshes. This allows for indicating which item is currently being worked on and makes it convenient for when the item is completed, the item is actually already checked. Only the X needs to be clicked in order to complete the item. As you can see, the console is extremely easy to use and extremely straightforward. This wraps up our tour of the Agile console.